Alright guys, I got my Insta360 X4 unboxing, basically. The little package I got came with the tripod selfie invisible stick and the lens cap, the little rubber cap, and the Insta360 X4. But yeah, stay tuned for the unboxing. Alright, here we go. Audio, no audio, no audio. Let's see. How do we get the audio? How is the audio now? Sounds better? Alright, here we go. Alright. So this is essentially an unboxing of Insta360 4K 8K X4 360 action cam. Now, just to get an idea, okay, I'm new to this, and the reason I've gotten into this journey is for the simple fact that my son has started his basketball career, all right? And I want to get as much footage, and my whole thing was auto track. You know, what's the best thing to auto track my son and get highlights and get all the things that everybody wants to see. You know, get those layups, get those dunks, get those steals, blocks, all that stuff, you know. So I've gone through a couple of things and I've tried a few things, so we will see what we get out of this in future videos. But this is just an unboxing this time, and sort of a slight backstory on how I came about this. And just to start off with, I have also the DJI Osmo Mobile SE that was supposed to have good auto tracking features, and I have also the DJI Neo. So, you know, I've literally spent quite a lot of money on some of this stuff in the last year. You know, these are all newer products. Whoops, hello. Let me reset that. There we go. Reframe. All right. So I've spent quite a lot of money in the last year on some of this stuff. And currently, I haven't found anything that has a decent auto tracking capability. So we've moved on to post video auto tracking, which is after you've taken your video, you can go in and auto track with the footage. And I'm thinking this is going to be the way to go. I've also ordered some of the sports cameras that records the whole game, the whole court, and then also has its own AI editing software that tracks the ball or tracks the player, stuff like that. So that one will be coming Friday. I'll be doing a video on that also. And we have a tournament this weekend that I'm going to be taking these to and getting some live footage. So we have Insta360 invisible selfie stick and tripod. I got the one with the built-in tripod. I got the lens cap cover. It's a rubber lens cap cover, and I got the Insta360 X4 8K 360 action cam. All right, this is the unboxing. Quite a weighty box, quality built, thick. And there you go. There she is, right in your face. So here goes the camera. Looks good. Lenses come covered up, I think. Yep, it comes, the lenses come covered up. Everything comes covered up. You have your plastics on them. You have your warnings. Unplug the battery and insert micro SD card. So I'm assuming SD cards inside the battery. Power button. What I seen was microphone 1, microphone, or actually, I don't know, I think this is the microphone. Maybe these are the speakers. I don't know. I've seen 2 different versions, but this is it. I'll get a better idea for you soon as we get into it. But yeah, there she goes. Nice weight to it. Quality build that you would expect from a top brand. So boom, there we go. Insta360 X4 camera. Now we have the inside box. This is not removable. There's nothing under it. All right, here we go. Think bold. What do we got here? All right. Standard lens guards right on top. Oh, okay. So lens guards are in the box. In the little box inside the box. Alright, these are the removable lens guards that changed from the X3 where they were stick-on. Well, the X4 now has removable that can be replaced. What I've heard is these are okay, they're not scratch resistant. Insta360 has a premium pair that are tempered glass. Recommend those. I will be getting them. You have software, waterproofing, what to know, how to waterproof, your warranty card, and your safety guidelines. Inside here, looks like we have the carry case to prevent any wear to it. All right, that is what we have. Inside the carry case comes another cleaning pad or cleaning cloth, a thermal grip cover. Okay, whatever that's for. Let's see what it says. Thermal grip cover. Install, remove thermal grip cover carefully to ensure the camera's lenses are not scratched or damaged. Doesn't say what it's for, but maybe it's just heat resistant. That's why they call it thermal grip camera or thermal grip cover. But it comes with that, and it comes with the dual USB-C charging or dual USB-C data cable and charging cable. So here we go. All right. Bottom of the box, there's a little thing. Just a silicone gel at the bottom. Nothing inside that little. It's just moisture resistance. You can see that little cutout at the bottom. It's just your silicone gel. Alrighty, so next we have our Insta360 extended tripod selfie stick. Alright, comes with foam in the top and another instruction manual for a selfie stick. Hopefully you don't need that. And here we go. This is the tripod selfie stick. So, move this out of the way. So here we go. Has a push button at the bottom. So I'm assuming you push to unlock. Yep. There goes that. And boom. Insta tripod. Okay, Insta tripod. All right. Set this in here. So, like I said, it is a selfie stick, so it has the tripod, but it also, let's see, how do we close it? I'm thinking we close it by pushing back in on it. Yeah, you don't close it from the bottom. Nothing is done here. Well, I guess you could, but the main idea is to push this back down, and that closes everything up. So, but here goes our selfie stick portion of it. Quite long, you know, looks pretty long to me. This is my first experience with one of these, so this is all logic and common sense. All right, goes back in good. You press the button, pops out, and I guess you can have different heights on it. You're limited to space. You can have it just out that far. And we have here on the top is the 1/4 threads for the tripod mount. That is where the Insta360 would mount at. Right there. So boom. We have the Insta360 mounted. All right. And last but not least is the Insta360 rubber cover. Give me 1 second. Let me grab the knife to cut it open. Alrighty, I'm back. Here we go. We got a piece of tape here. Alrighty. See what we got. Instructions, manuals for rubber covers. That's all there was there. And here we have our Insta360 rubber cover. And it looks like it has cutouts for the speakers. So yeah, I would suggest that those were speakers. But what's funny, or it looks like it, maybe I have it on wrong, those cutouts don't actually reach the speaker holes. Maybe I have it on backwards. I don't know why they would have those cutouts up there other than for the speakers, but yeah, they don't reach. The speakers are actually covered up. So, but there we go. That's the rubber cover, and let's give her a turn on real quick. See how it looks on first startup. All right, power button on the side. There we go. First startup. And I am currently using the DJI Osmo Mobile SE to hold my phone and record this at the same time. Sorry about that. Reframe, get a closer look at it. So here we have language is going to be English. Next, please download the app, the Insta360 app in the App Store or Google Play to activate your camera. All right, gotta pause the video here, download that app. Recording my voice. I didn't think about it till after, but this was the screen when I first downloaded the app. And it's just asking you to select your shooting. Basically your type of video vlogging. So Just going through it and getting it all sorted out. And then it started to ask for the device. So it was a little bit of a struggle to get it connected. One thing I found after I was messing with it for a little while was the Wi-Fi to the device, in the X4 does not stay on. It's like auto, so like sensing. I don't know what the case may be for that, but here it took me a while to get it figured out. So I'm probably gonna clip a couple of minutes here and save you guys some time. Here is where it finally started doing some things for connections, and like I said, it didn't work immediately. It would do this, get all the connect Bluetooth, and then connect Wi-Fi, and then sit there. And what ended up working for me was once I got it all going, I had to turn the device, I had to turn the X4 off, then turn it back on, then try to connect again. And it was just a pain. You can see up in the video on the top left hand corner, I was trying to get it to connect and it wouldn't connect. So I'm gonna skip some more. So we got some downloads to do. Now, what does that do? Firmware update. Log in, champ. Log into the app for 1 consecutive days. Okay, whatever. Don't know what that is. I don't think that had anything to do with the firmware. Okay, still downloading firmware. Giving me golds and gold just for logging in. Great, thank you. Appreciate it. It's like a big firmware update from its release a few months back. Wonder what all the fixes were. Guess we'll find out. Well, I'll get back to you as soon as it's done. Alright, looks like we're coming up on the end now. It's checking firmware. Receiving firmware. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. There we go. So we'll give it a second to do its little update, and I'll get back to you. Update was successful, so it started a restart. Alright, there we go. Next, back to the app again. Tap to connect to camera. Alright, let's see what it does. Screen turned off. Whenever you're ready. It's a very loud clicking noise when that screen turns off. We're back to this point again. Do I need to restart it? Alright, next. just a minute ago. Connect. See what it does this time. Oh, activate. There we go. We gotta activate. Confirm. Does it do anything? Oh, claim another reward, whatever. Let's see what it does now. Remove lens guards. Lens guard mode. Okay. Clean lens guards. Okay. Slide down settings. All right. I'm gonna switch over to the camera now. While we're waiting, go through some of the things here. You got a 72 megapixel 360 photo, 4K 60 frame per second single lens mode, removable lens guards, waterproof up to 10 meters or 33 feet, and AI powered editing. Sounds good to me. Now that we're back on the camera side of things, here we are, basically. You know, the introduction of what you need to do. Right? Home button. Slide up to access shooting parameters. There you go. Slide to the right to access the AI bump. No SD card. I have that. I think that's where we're at. And here you can control what you see, obviously. Might take some getting used to that. But yeah, there we go. So I also opted for the Insta360 microphone port. We're gonna see how useful that becomes. That goes right in here, and I'm assuming you pop off this little cover for the charge port. Let me take a look here. Looks like it clips on there. Yep, clips on there. And you replace it with the microphone port. And it just clips on like so. And that's where it sits. I guess we can real quick do the battery, do the SD card, because I also got a 128 gig SanDisk Extreme XD card. So we'll go ahead and get that opened up and get that inserted. Where did it go? There it goes. Kind of flew out there on me. Okay. A whole lot easier to open than I thought it was going to be. Alright, we got our SD card. Now, I guess I'll unscrew this here. But I might opt in for that quick release mount that they have. So you got two clips that you're going to use here to remove the battery. Looks like this needs to come out to do that. And then you remove the battery and you have your SD card slot right there. Hey. And what you'll do is you'll just insert it as the picture shows right there. They all have that little indentation in them. Just goes with the colors facing up. Clicks insert it all the way, and then reinsert your battery, like so. Both of these need to click. I'll go ahead and remove that since we got the SD card in there. And we'll power it back on and see what it says. Tap here between switching modes. Well, there we go, guys. That's what we've gotten so far, and stay tuned for more. If you guys like the content, or I know I need to improve the content, but got some advice, which this was just a quick rundown. I gotta create a whole, do the whole desk, 9 yards, have a spot to do my recording and everything, because I currently don't have that yet. I'm going to. So for now, this is what we've got. Stay tuned for more. I'm gonna get a mic for this. I don't know. I'm probably gonna go with DJI's wireless mics, but we'll see. But yeah, like, share, subscribe, follow for more content. Thank you.